Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an employee to Payroll Gusto. To begin, open Gusto and make sure you are on the home screen for your company account. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main navigation and the payroll administration tools you'll need for adding a new team member. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on People. This section is where Gusto organizes employee records, team details, and onboarding activity. If you are adding someone new to payroll, this is the area where that process usually begins. Once you're in the People section, click on Onboarding. The onboarding area is designed to help you add new hires and guide them through the information needed to get set up correctly in the system. This helps keep the payroll setup organized right from the start. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click Add Person. This opens the form for creating a new employee profile. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the correct information, since these details will carry through to payroll and other HR records. You'll now enter the person's name details. Fill in the required fields carefully and check spelling before moving on. Accurate name information is especially important for payroll records, tax documentation, and employee identification inside the platform. After that, enter the preferred first name if one should be included. This can be helpful when the employee uses a name that differs from their legal first name in day-to-day communication. It allows the system to reflect how they are commonly addressed while still keeping their official record aligned with what is required. Next, select Employee. This tells Gusto that the person you're adding should be set up as an employee in payroll rather than under another worker type. Choosing the correct classification here is important because it affects how the person is processed in the system. From this point, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Gusto will guide you through the remaining prompts, and the exact fields may vary depending on your company settings. As you continue, review each page carefully and make sure all information is complete before advancing. If something looks incomplete or incorrect, it's best to fix it right away rather than return to it later. Once you've finished the guided setup, the employee will be added to the onboarding and payroll workflow in Gusto. That's the full process for adding an employee to payroll in Gusto.